Hello and welcome. I'm Abigail Moss, and this is Mind Body Free. And today I'm going to be walking you through a havening and hypnotherapy exercise to release anything that you'd like to let go of. So you can use this for past traumas, for PTSD. You can use this for fears and phobias, for anger and frustrations, for any kind of agitation you might be experiencing. Literally anything that you'd like to work through and feel a shift in. So, the first step is I want you to bring into your awareness what you'd like to work through. And you can close your eyes and take a deep breath and just come into this moment. Good. And now I want you to just temporarily bring into your awareness what it is that you'd like to work on. And if you're not sure, just trust that your mind will present to you the exact right thing to let go of today. Good. And once you have that, I want you to give it a number. You're going to rate it by the level of intensity that it has on a scale of 0 to 10, with 0 being nothing and 10 being as intense as the feeling could get. So, in your body, how strongly do you feel that on a scale of 0 to 10? Find that number. Good. And then what you're going to do now is start taking your hands and just start stroking down your arms. This is a sensory therapy, so it just helps to shift the chemicals that are being released in your body. So just rubbing down your arms, and you're going to do this for the entirety of this exercise. Good, and now I want you to close your eyes, and I want you to imagine yourself walking along a beach. And you can hear the waves lapping at the shore, and you can hear the seagulls around you, and you can see the trees and smell the beautiful trees and the ocean air all around you. Some trees along the shoreline, some cedars, some driftwood. And you look down and you can see your bare feet in the sand, and you can feel the wet sand between your toes. And as you see your feet, you see yourself take a step with every time I count as I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. Now open your eyes and look all the way left and all the way right, just with your eyes. As I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Now closing your eyes and seeing yourself walking on a forest path. And you can smell the forest floor and feel the cool earth beneath your feet. You can see the sun streaming in from above and lighting up the leaves of the trees a beautiful bright green color. You can hear the birds chirping around you. You can smell the wildflowers of all different colors around you. And as you look down, you see yourself walking over the mossy floor in this beautiful forest pathway as I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. Now opening your eyes again and looking all the way left and all the way right, just with your eyes, as I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. And closing your eyes and seeing yourself walking up a beautiful mountain pathway. And you're walking up and you're moving towards the mountain peak. And as you're going higher and higher, you realize that what you're carrying in your hand, you have the box in your hand, and there's something inside it that's very heavy. And as you move further and further up, it seems to get heavier and heavier. So heavy that you can just barely hold on to it. And you realize that it might be time to put the box down, to let this go. And you look around at the forest around you for a place to let it go. And your attention is drawn to one tree in particular. One big, beautiful, powerful tree. And you go up to that tree and you lay the box at the base of the trunk. And as you lay the box there, you see the forest envelop it. You see it sink into the earth and vines move all around it and over it. You see it dissolving into the earth, being processed by the earth and by the forest, being broken down and turned into nutrients. You see the tree becoming even more alive and the forest reacting to something that you've given it, that you've let go of. And as you notice this, you then turn around and continue up the mountain pathway. And you see yourself moving with each step as I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You reach the top of the mountain. You look out over the valley, taking in the incredible view from this new perspective. You feel a cool mountain breeze brushing your face. And you look back and you see the forest and you see it looks different now. It's as if it's grown more. It's as if letting that go actually helped the forest. It gave it the nutrients, the awareness to grow stronger. Good, and you're going to open your eyes again now and look all the way left and all the way right as I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good. And then closing your eyes and seeing yourself on that mountain peak and seeing the forest around you different and changed. Just breathing in the fresh, cool air and allowing this experience, this awareness to stay with you and allowing it to move through you, become even more clear and understood as time goes on, and trusting that all that you've done here is exactly the right thing for you to do, and trusting that it is quite powerful, even though it is subtle and gentle. And keeping this awareness, this transformation and discovery with you, laying your hands down, taking in a nice deep breath. Good. And bringing your awareness to that problem before and seeing what number would you give it now. How much can you feel that issue in your body now? Good. Well done. And so if this number is not a 0 or a 1, I invite you to play this video again and continue this exercise until you get it down to a 0 or a 1. Because every time you do this work, you will continue to move, to chip away at that experience. And it may already be a 0 and 1, in which case, great. Next time you play this video, you can use it for something else that you'd like to let go of. And you can play this video as many times as you like. It is good for you, it is nourishing, it is very soothing and calming. As well, any time that you notice yourself being stressed, feeling overwhelmed, I invite you to find a place where you can comfortably move your hands down your arms and breathe deeply And imagine yourself walking on a beach as you count to 20. And then walking on a forest path as you count to 20. And opening your eyes and moving them all the way left and all the way right for 10 seconds. Because this is a tool that you can keep with you. You can listen to this video, yes, and that will be very powerful. And I also want you to have this with you by your side anytime you need it. So, my blessings to you. Thank you for doing this incredible work today and for yourself and showing up for yourself. That is what it's all about. And I'm Abigail Moss. This is Mind Body Free. Have a beautiful day or night.